Welcome to the Vector Garden. In this video, we're going to make a tour into pixels. So this is not about vectors at all. Now I've seen this text effect in another video, and that video used two text layers to get this. And I thought that maybe you can get this with just one text layer. So let's get into this. I have prepared that file here. So we've got this image layer and we've got a mask which is currently deactivated. So let's first create another layer here, which should be below this one. I'm going to uncheck that and we're going to fill that with a color, just pressing Command and the delete key. On Windows that would be Control and the delete key, and now we've got this filled with a color. I'm going to turn on that photo layer again and let's just load that selection. So this is the soccer player, of course, and I'm going to select the image pixels and copy that, and then let's just paste it. So it's been pasted into place just like this. And now what we need to do is combine these two layers, and we're going to merge them, and then this one needs to be the background layer. So really the background layer. And then let's turn on that, and then let's create that text. I'm just going to select the text tool, and let's just set that text. And now I'm going to enlarge this so that we have larger text here. Let's just enlarge this further and rotate this slightly like this. So I'm going to commit that, and then let's get into the layers. So we have 3 layers currently, and with this layer we need to delete that layer mask. So now we have this text which has the same color as that background, and then let's select these two and group them so they are now inside a group. And I'm going to double click that, and this needs to set to pass through. And then let's go into this layer and let's just make a stroke, and the stroke is set to outside. And I'm going to set this color to white, and let's just make this a little thinner. And now we have to get back to the blending options. We need to set this fill opacity to 0 and set the knockout to deep, like this. And then you already see this is what we get. So the knockout group, which we have created by setting up that knockout, and this has punched through that group to the background. And now what we can do is move around this text, and what we can also do is change that. So in my language that would be like this. And also, of course, we could select a different font here, and you see we can still change all of that. And of course it's just elegant to use fewer layers.